If your organization is rolling out Copilot, don't just ask, can they access it? Ask, do they know how to use it properly? Copilot is an amazing tool and can help your team with their everyday work across Microsoft 365. From drafting content, summarizing information, preparing for meetings, and working with emails, documents, and Teams conversations. Microsoft positions Copilot as an AI assistant within the Microsoft 365 experience. But without the proper training, people either don't use it poorly, or they don't know what proper use actually looks like. A great Copilot course should cover 3 things. Number 1 is practical prompts, how to ask better questions, refine outputs, and get a useful first draft. Number 2 is real workplace use cases, emails, reports, meeting notes, presentations, research, planning, admin. Third is responsible use and security. What to check, what not to share, and how to review AI-generated content before using it. At Keys Training, we deliver practical Microsoft Copilot training for organizations, helping your team go from curiosity to confident everyday use. So, if you're about to roll out on Copilot, or if your team already has access to it but doesn't know how to use it properly, please get in touch and we'll help you choose the right training.